Alright guys, today we have a 2010 Chevy Camaro. This is 6.2 engine, and we're gonna change this belt. To change the belt, first, before you do anything, make sure you know the routing of the belt. You can take a piece of paper and draw this so you know how the belt goes. It goes from the crank to the idle pulley over there, and then it runs down to the alternator, back up to the power steering pump, and then it goes under the water pump and over the belt tensioner. Just the belt tensioner right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take number 15 and we're gonna loosen this tension of the belt. This is the tensioner. It just goes down that way. So let's start by losing the tension. Alright, so you take number 15 with the ratchet, and you're gonna twist this to loosen the belt. We're gonna go clockwise a little bit, just like that. And once you do that, the belt should loosen up and you should be able to take off the belt, and then you can release the tensioner. And you remove the belt from all the pulleys. It should come right off. The reason why we're changing this belt is because this belt every morning it squeaks till the car warms up or the belt heats up a little bit. And next, what you do is you take a new belt. You're gonna route it all over the pulleys just the way it came out. That's why I said it before you take it apart. Make sure you make a little diagram. You can draw the pulleys and the belt routing on the piece of paper. You put the pulley, the belt over all the pulleys: the crank pulley, alternator, power steering, idle. And then this is the water pump right here, and then it comes back up to the tensioner. And make sure you have belt over all over the pulleys and it's nice and smooth. And then you do the same thing, and you might want to go above the pipe. You pull the tensioner pulley and you place the belt over the pulley. Just make sure the belt is correct and all the pulleys is not sticking out. And that's it. Once you have it on, you can just double check all the pulleys, and this one looks nice and good on all the pulleys. And that's it. That's how you change the belt on the Camaro. Belt is on, and this is how it should look on all the pulleys.